Thank you so much for joining me on this slightly stormy evening up here on the rooftop. We're going to go ahead and get started in our deer pose. And for this one, we're just going to take the right shin right in front of us, so parallel with either the front or the side of the mat like mine, and then the left shin is going to be at around about a 90-degree angle with the foot just behind. So really we want to take all the little wriggles and shuffles that it takes to find a place where everything sits relatively comfortably. Breathing in deeply, we're going to lift the arms up, and as we exhale we're going to turn to the right, the hands land down, and as we walk the hands forwards we're going to take a forward fold, maybe tapping the forehead down towards the floor. And we're going to feel a big stretch all through the front of the left leg and all down the side of the right hip. As we inhale, we're going to lift, reaching the arms back up overhead. Exhaling, hands come down, finding that little twisted forward fold. Breathing in, lifting. Exhaling, finding that twisted fold. Breathing in, reaching the arms high. Exhaling, folding over to the right. One final round. With the inhale, we're going to lift. And with the exhale, we're going to find that twist and fold, sinking down and maybe staying for just another breath. Breathing in deeply, exhaling fully, and then pressing to lift up, turning to the top of the mat. And if we take the feet behind, the hands out in front, we're going to make our way through our tabletop, taking a deep inhale. With the next exhale, we're going to send the hips all the way back and up into our downward facing dog, taking a place where we can find all of the weight over into the right hand, and maybe lifting the left, taking it back towards the right ankle, turning to look under the right arm, finding our big twisted downward facing dog. Breathing in deeply, stay for just one more really deep inhale here. And as we exhale, we're going to take the left hand back to the top of the mat. And with a big inhale, we're going to sweep the left foot all the way up behind. Exhaling, bending the left leg at the knee, drawing the left foot down towards the glutes. Inhaling, extending the leg long. This time as we exhale, we're going to draw the left knee forwards towards the right elbow. Inhaling, sending the left foot back. Exhaling, bending the leg at the knee. Inhaling, extending the leg long. Exhaling, left knee to right elbow. With the inhale, coming all the way back up. Exhaling, opening the hip to the left. One final round. Inhaling the leg long. Exhaling, left knee to right elbow. Inhaling, sending the foot up. Exhaling, finding that little bend at the elbow, lifting the knee high. Exhaling, taking the foot down towards the floor, breathing in deeply. And from here with the exhale, we're going to take the left knee forwards, resting the shin down, and maybe sliding the right foot back a little. So we're finding our way into our pigeon pose with the left knee forwards. And we get to stay here, right? So finding that lifted variation, breathing in deeply, maybe coming down onto the forearms, allowing the chest to melt down towards the floor. And if it feels comfortable, allowing the head to rest down. And we've got the option to stay here, keeping everything pretty neutral. Or maybe if you want to find that last little side bend, we're going to take the right hand over to the right and the left hand just on top. Maybe finding one last little bit of length all through the left side of the body. Breathing in deeply. And exhaling fully. And maybe staying for just one last really deep inhale here. And then with the exhale, taking the hands back to the top of the mat. We're going to walk them back in towards the body, tucking the right toes, lifting the right knee. And from here, we're going to see about lifting the left knee back into the chest. Breathing in deeply. As we exhale, we're going to take the left foot out to the right. So we're finding almost like a variation of our fallen star, but keeping both hands on the floor. Breathing in deeply. As we exhale, we're going to take a little press. And as we inhale, we're going to lift up. Exhaling, pressing down. Inhaling, lifting up. With the exhale, we're going to press. Inhaling, lifting up, drawing the left knee back into the chest. Exhaling, taking it back to plank. And with the next exhale, sending the hips all the way back and up into our downward facing dog. Taking any little pedals that make it feel that little bit more possible. Breathing in deeply and exhaling fully. And with the next inhale, we're going to sweep the right foot all the way up. Exhaling, taking that bend at the leg that just allows that right foot to hang down by the left glutes. And then as we inhale, we're going to extend the leg long. Exhaling, right knee to left elbow. Breathing in, sending the foot high. Exhaling, taking that bend at the knee. Breathing in, extending. Exhaling, right knee to left elbow. With the inhale, we're extending long. And with the exhale, we're taking that scorpion leg. Inhaling, lifting. Exhaling, knee to left elbow. Breathing in, sending the foot high. And from here, we're going to draw the right knee forwards behind the right wrist, sinking the shin down and maybe taking a little shuffle back of the left foot, finding that place where you can allow everything to somewhat relax, right? So we're still finding that big stretch all through the right hip, and we can always take the forearms down towards the floor, resting the head down. And if we want to find that last little bit of length all through the right side of the body, we're going to take the hands, the left hand over to the left, placing the right hand on top and finding that big stretch all down the right side of the body and through the right hip. Taking just one more deep inhale wherever you found yourself. And then with the exhale, taking the hands back to the top of the mat. Walking them in, lifting the chest. We're going to tuck the left toes. Inhaling, lifting the left knee. And if we draw the right knee up into the chest, we're going to take the right foot out to the side, breathing in deeply. And as we exhale, we're going to bend. Inhaling, lifting. Exhaling, pressing. Inhaling, lifting back up. With the exhale, we're going to dip. Inhaling, lifting to the top, drawing the right knee back into the chest, stepping it back to plank. Taking just one really deep inhale here. With the exhale, we're going to lower the knees, sinking the hips back and finding that variation of our child's pose that feels the most restful.